Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Brawlhalla crashing, not launching, freezing, and black screen. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up Device Manager. And here you need to do a few things. First one is display adapters here. Right click on your GPU, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. And if there is some update, install it. Same thing with sound, video, and game controllers here. And what you need to do here is to do the same with all basically things that is under the sound, video, and game controllers here, right? And after you do so, then another thing that you can do here is to simply, depending of course on what GPU you're using, NVIDIA or AMD, there is two separate apps for that. So I'm using NVIDIA, and there is an app called GeForce Experience. And what you need to do here is to go to drivers, search for updates, and if there is an update, please update it, download and update your computer GPU. And after that, restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your operating system. You just need to search, look for, check for updates here, and then check for updates. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so. Restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then open up Steam, go to library, go to the game, right click, go to properties, and then go to installed files and verify integrity of the game files. Maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed, so go ahead and do so. It will take you a couple of minutes, and after that you can check if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to browse. You will get new window here, and then what you need to do here on this thing here, you should find here your exe file. As you can see here, probably it will be this one. And then simply what you need to do here is to right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 8 or 7, and then disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. You can do with all of these if you don't really know which one is good. So you can do with all these exe files here, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to go to the browser, and then you just need to write DirectX and runtime web installer, and download this thing here, save it to your desktop, and then write Microsoft Visual C++, and then install these two files, Redis x64 and x86. I will do so as well. And after the files is installed, then you should see on your desktop or whatever you installed. And then what you need to do here is to install them. Super easy process. I accept agreement. Make sure to disable this one and just install the files here. And after you install the files, then again you need to restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to basically open up your task manager, go to startup, and then disable all the apps that you don't use. So for example, keyboard and mouse apps, other things. Basically disable all the things that you don't use. So just need to right click on it and disable. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that we can do here is to open up command prompt or cmd, run as administrator. And here we need to put basically a command that is cpc, and wait a second, cpc /scan now. and it's beginning scan, and we need to wait for a couple of minutes until it ends. So I will be here after a couple of minutes. And after basically scan is completed, what you need to do here next is to restart your computer. And if this does not help, another thing that you can do here, if you're running third-party antivirus softwares like Avast, McAfee, or other, try to disable them, or maybe even uninstall them, or simply try to then uninstall the game and install again, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. But probably if you apply all these fixes here, you should be fine. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.